In this crochet video instruction, you will see how to crochet knot picot edge. Before I made a row of double crochet stitches. Begin the new one. For this, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, and make 2 double crochet in a row. Make the first one into the second stitch. And make the second one. And on the top of this stitch I'm going to make knot picot edge. Let's make knot picot for this chain of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. The chain is ready. And now I skip the first chain stitch away from the hook and work with a slip stitch into the second chain stitch of the chain. Then make 14 slip stitches. In total it should be 15 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have made 15 slip stitches. I remind you we did slip stitch into each chain stitch of the chain. Then I'm going to make a knot. In this way. Here how it looks. I'm turning the work and find the 6th chain stitch that was skipped. Now insert the hook into this chain stitch. Then insert the hook into 2 loops of the second double crochet. Then take a working yarn, pull it through by working a slip stitch. Continue with double crochet stitch into the next stitch. Now let's stop and look at our picot. I straight up my knot picot. The picot is ready and you can continue crocheting by yourself. I remind you, it was made on the top of the double crochet. With this video you have known how to make unusual knot picot edge. This is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. You can make such picot on the top of the double crochet, treble crochet and other stitches. Such knot picot can be perfect the edge for your project. More step-by-step instruction at sharknitting.com. Thanks for watching.